Hey everyone, what's going on? Just coming back to give y'all a little piece of advice when changing your headlight bulbs. So, from the factory, there's nothing really wrong with them. I just want something a little bit brighter, and I want the white light. I don't want the warm white. So for your driving lights, they're going to be the H11s. And then for your brights, they're going to be the 905s or 905. If you look into your manual, it's going to say, oh, please take this to a Nissan dealer, because these new vehicles, they do anything and everything they can to get you back to the dealership to take your money. But with a little bit of looking, it's really not hard to do yourself. You just have to want to. And just like changing your tire and putting on your spare, changing your headlight bulbs is something everyone should be able to do themselves. And what you're going to have to do, there's going to be 2 screws, one right there and one right up here. You're going to remove those screws. They're just regular Phillips screws. And I was going to record myself doing this for you to kind of show you, but it's pretty self-explanatory. They're just a basic headlight housing. Once you get these screws removed, you can come in here and you're going to pry this plastic out. Again, I was going to record myself doing this, but I can't find my tripod. So of course, plastic out. And then once it's out, you'll see 1 and 2. Now I'm gonna pry this so I have enough room, but if you want to create a little extra room, all you'll do is you'll keep prying along the top over here. There'll be another screw right here, and then there is a push pin right there. You'll just pry the center out just like a regular body panel pin, and then remove the pin itself, and you'll be able to drop this whole lining. So I'm gonna get to it and I'll let y'all know how it comes out. Well, anyhow, I pretty much just made this so I could show y'all how to do it yourself. That you don't need to take it to a dealer. You're more than capable. Let me grab my light. It'll take all of 10 minutes of your time. And again, it'll be that screw and that screw. That's all I removed on the other side. This little piece right here is actually attached to the inner fender well. So try not to break that off. But yeah, remove those. You can lift over the inner fender well and the lip up front, but when you get up to this point, you're gonna want to push it in. Don't just try to pry it out and over. Then pull down with one hand. You can use the other hand to change the bulb. Hope this helps some of y'all out. Alright, so everything's all said and done. Again, the passenger side high beam was just a pain in the butt. Be careful, check your work. If you don't have the time or the patience to check your work when you're done, you shouldn't be working on your vehicle to begin with. Go ahead and be one of those folks that forks up $125 in labor. Yeah, I talked about taking my truck into the shop to get some warranty work done. Turns out they had to order parts. Bender GM here locally put this truck through service, and I think they just say that to blow smoke up your butt, because they didn't do a thing. My TPMS light right there, that is the module. and then they're gonna have to install that and reprogram it because it's a newer truck. Yay for that. Anyways, always know how to do your own stuff, at least to a certain extent. But I figure I'd take y'all for a night drive with me, just real quick, just to see how these new Silver Star, Sylvania Silver Star Ultras look. I mean, if you don't know how your stock headlights look and then you replace them and you can't see a difference, well, congratulations, you just spent about 130 bucks that you didn't need to spend. But for me, the difference is as clear as, again, night and day. These street lights aren't really helping here. I'm gonna turn and let y'all see. All right, it looks awesome in my phone, but I can still see the clear difference through my own eye. Here are the low beams. Here are the high beams, and I did just flash that car that passed. Oops. Now, as I said, I'm new to posting on YouTube, so I'm going to try to figure out how to attach a couple of photos I took. And hopefully I can figure out how to edit all this together. If not, there's going to be 2 or 3 different videos for this one project. And I apologize for that. I'm not a tech guy, I'm a mechanical guy. So if it's broke, I can fix it. Unless it's tech, then I'll take it to someone else, or I'll just get a new one. But I am definitely loving these lights. I'm gonna pull back up to the house and show y'all how it looks on the wall. And I'm probably gonna adjust them because I want them up just a little bit higher. Alrighty, just to kind of show you, I mean, that overwash is extreme on my phone. Hopefully it comes through better in the video. But they are pretty bright, and they are a lot wider than the stock headlights. So, like I said, I'm gonna adjust these up just a little bit, nothing too crazy. You can see the light line on the bricks right there. I'm gonna go up to this line, right y'all. So it's gonna be about 3.5 inches. But all right. Thanks for watching the video. Again, if y'all have any questions, reach out, comment, subscribe. You can reach out to my social media. I have a website, i-chris.com. You can reach me that way. And all my social media sites are going to be on that website. So just reach out with any questions you have, and I'll be happy to help.